This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulb replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Low and high beam bulb replacement. The outer bulb is the low beam bulb, and the inner bulb is the high beam. Disconnect the electrical connector from the headlight bulb. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and remove it from the headlight housing. The bulb is integrated into the bulb holder as one piece. Making sure to avoid touching the bulb surface with your fingers, install the new headlight bulb into the housing. Align the lugs when inserting, then twist the bulb clockwise to secure it. Connect the bulb electrical connector. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.